young gem explorers. Today, we're diving into the dazzling world of gemstones. Get ready to discover some precious treasures. Let's begin with the aquamarine. Aquamarines are pale blue gemstones, reminiscent of the ocean's tranquil waters. They're as calming as a gentle breeze on a sunny day. Moving along to the citrine. Citrines range in color from yellow to orange-brown and are often associated with positivity and success. They're as bright as the sun's warm rays. Now, let's explore the tourmaline. Tourmalines come in various colors, including pink, green, and blue. They're as diverse as a rainbow in the sky. Onto the peridot. Peridots are bright green gemstones, symbolizing vitality and growth. They're as refreshing as a cool summer breeze. Let's discover the tanzanite next. Tanzanites are vivid blue gemstones with purple undertones, known for their rarity and beauty. They're as mesmerizing as a starry night sky.